Welcome to English Trivia Games. 25 grammar questions. Can you pass them all? Feel free to pause the video if you need more time and let me know your score at the end. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. He is very good at playing the piano. The water is boiling, so can you add some pasta? You didn't see him at the store, did you? To be exactly right. My mother usually drinks coffee in the morning. He isn't old enough to drive a car yet. Could you turn down the radio? It's a bit too loud. They haven't decided where to go on vacation yet. Seneca is known for his philosophical works. I wish I had more time to travel the world. Did you see the football match last night? This exercise is much easier than the last one. Piece of cake means that something is very easy. He usually goes to school by bus. I was sleeping when the phone rang. Light. I'm allergic to cats, so I rarely touch them. Business. There isn't any sugar left in the jar. The new bridge will be built by the end of next year. This is the house where I spent my childhood. C. I am tired, so let's call it a day. She had been studying English for 3 years before she moved to London. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you passed this one, your next challenge is right here on the screen. Click it and I'll see you there.